Durham, North Carolina, a city built on grit, hustle, and re-innovation. Tucked away on a not-so-quiet street, 4 Ethiopian women, friends, immigrants, and survivors of corporate layoffs, decided to bet it all on food. What they created is more than just a restaurant. It's a cultural heartbeat. It's a table where strangers walk in as guests and walk out as family.
My name is Meron.
My name is Senait.
My name is Selam.
My name is Rebeca.
We are the owner of Abol Ethiopian Restaurant. We make food for tourists.
They say that travel heals and awakens the spirit. On my quests, I find and share stories of ordinary people doing extraordinary things in interesting places. My name is Gibbs, and I travel for culture.
Well, tell me, so this was your first time here?
Yes.
How was the food?
It was amazing. Really good.
Yeah. As you can tell. We've got some new travelers here. We're in Durham today, Durham, North Carolina, right near the Mooresville area, not too far from that, near the airport. And we're coming to you from Abol Restaurant.
Okay, the name of the restaurant is Abol, A-B-O-L. What it means is in Ethiopian culture, we are well known with coffee. And so the first strong brewed coffee called Abol. So in Ethiopian culture, if I invite somebody for coffee, it's not only coffee, it's friendship, connection. That's how we come up with the name Abol. When it comes to Abol Ethiopian Restaurant, one thing we want to make sure is you come as a guest, you leave as a family. That's our logo. So we want to be able to share our experience. And we always tell people, if we don't eat it, we don't serve it. That means it's a fresh and good and a quality.
The environment, what you see, first of all, the picture on the wall that is make different. The curtain on the windows, and also friendly, the customer service. And we talk our customer, all of them. We explain about the food, and we tell them about the culture. We feel like family, and most of them, when they go, they are very happy. We are 5-star review, so atmosphere, everything is by a review you go on, so people, they love that.
Ethiopian culture is fresh. You cook the same time, the same hours, and it's fresh.
Hi, this is Gibbs in Durham, North Carolina. We're here at Abol Restaurant, Ethiopian restaurant that is, and the ladies just brought me out food. Look at this, it's incredible. Here we've got the beef, we've got lentils, we've got cabbage, we've got a fresh boiled egg. This right here, you might know it, it's the injera bread. I can't wait to dig into this dish. Oh my God.
So the dish, Abol meat and veggie combo, you get 2 choices of meat or protein, and you also get 3 kinds of vegetables. We always recommend that to our customers so they can have a taste of everything. Beef sambusa.
Sambusa?
Yes, and this sauce is homemade, tomato, some jalapeno, a little taste to it, but
That is good.
thank you. And
That is good.
this is for beef sambusa, so this is also for the meat lover.
That is
Fine
beef.
grind, very good taste, really, really good, fresh.
That's good. That's good. Thank you so much. Oh man, what is
This
this?
is traditional Ethiopian dufo dabo. We call it dufo dabo.
Okay.
And we made it here
All right.
for traditional, for holiday. So when you have big holiday, something, we do this.
Oh my gosh, that looks great. What is this?
So this is called katenya. So this is gluten free.
Katenya. I taste the butter. That's good. No, it is really good. It is really good. This was good. This was good. I think I might be Ethiopian.
Yeah, you are. Now you are. So, three of us, Sunny, me, and Rebecca, we all work for a company. So we were doing good. We were working there. I never thought about business. We never talked about opening up a restaurant, especially like four of us. A year ago, the company announced, okay, we're not doing good and we're letting some people go. We were just like looking, not really restaurant, but like something to do business. And we saw this. Actually, she's the one she found it on Facebook. And we came look at it. And the person who owned it, he loved us. He's like, okay, this is like a family restaurant you guys can open. So I can see that just like a bright future. What makes it interesting is just four of us, we love to cook. And just we've been together for so long and know each other for so long. Having somebody always to count on is just good feeling.
I have experience, but I do it myself actually. But when you do it as a family, like this four, and they know about the food, and make it very easy. Because why? When you go home, rest, you don't worry about it because in the same hand, someone is here to do the same thing what I done.
We are very, very happy starting the restaurant business.
So, is this your first time coming to this restaurant?
No.
No?
No, at least 5-6 times.
5-6 times?
Yeah.
What do you love about it?
First of all, the people. Very, very friendly and professional, really, in making the food from scratch. It's authentic, the most authentic restaurant of Ethiopia around here. There are so many restaurants in DC area, maybe you know. This is that place.
Today is a holiday. They have a special meal like kitfo, the one we had. So no one make like them.
So this Ethiopian, the coffee ceremony. Tell me about the coffee ceremony that you guys are experiencing right now.
Okay, first of all, coffee is first found in Ethiopia. All Ethiopians, they are accustomed to this coffee ceremony. Every day, in the morning or any time, the day after meal, they have the coffee ceremony. Here, carrying that culture, the ceremony which we did at home, we'll get it here, and we love it.
When we have coffee, you know, we drink with our neighbors. They came together, they talk about the situation, the place, and we do the ceremony, everything. And especially after church Sunday, they drink together. Yeah.
Coffee together.
Yeah.
So this is your first time eating here? Yes. Abol. So what do you think?
Very good. I'm a bit of a food friend.
Yeah.
We love everything. There's some flavors that I like, Ethiopian cuisine, and then there's some things that I'm kind of picky about.
Yeah, sure.
So, but yeah, the salad's great. The cabbage, the roman here is excellent. We love the lentils.
I mean, from the South, so the fact that when I sat down and he introduced me to Ethiopian food for the first time, I felt right at home with a lot of the dishes.
Me too. I'm a Southern guy too.
So the plan for us is year 2026, we want to be able to open another one in different area. So it could be Chapel Hill, it could be Fort Spring, it could be anywhere. But the plan is to open the second restaurant and grow. That's our plan.
The very important thing is be patient, don't panic, because open a restaurant and wait for a customer is not easy. One thing you have to be a good quality of food. If you do good, people know you, and every day you meet new people. Every single day you get new people.
If they get a quality food, a good service, and a clean place, people want to come back. So you just need to make sure you talk to them and know your customer, what they need. I think that's the key.
Culture is everywhere, sometimes loud, sometimes hidden, but always worth finding. Hey, this is Gibbs. If you're with us, hit like, share this documentary, and leave a comment for us. Subscribe and ring the notification bell because on Thursdays, we're always uncovering something new. Stick around. The world is much bigger than what you think. Catch you on the next journey.